Ever had a single defect halt your production line? In automotive manufacturing, each minute of downtime dents your bottom line and reputation. Relying on manual, paper-based workflows only invites compliance failures, costly recalls, and unhappy customers. That's why you need QualityPro Automotive QMS. Imagine a system where your document control keeps current SOPs, CAD drawings, and other important documents in one secure hub, totally eliminating guesswork. When a customer complaint comes in, complaint management captures issues instantly and tracks resolutions. Behind the scenes, non-conformance and CAPA pinpoint root causes and trigger corrective actions. Before a tool leaves the line, calibration and inspection confirm it meets specs. QualityPro also keeps you compliant with IATF, ISO, and regulatory standards. No surprises, no slip-ups. Meanwhile, with audit management, you schedule reviews and the system flags any gaps for your attention. Rolling out new processes or tweaking existing ones. Training and change management certify your team. And risk management? It spots issues before they stop production. The result? Fewer defects, instant audit readiness, faster time to market, and unwavering customer trust. Ready to shift your automotive quality into overdrive?